The Bank of Canada Governor Tiff Macklem is striking a cautious tone, saying it is too early to talk about interest rate cuts. BNN Bloomberg's Amanda Lang sat down with Macklem and asked him about the path forward.
We are certainly feeling more confident that monetary policy is working, and increasingly the conditions are in place to get us back to 2% inflation. But that is not yet assured. We're not there yet. There are a few more things we need to see to be more confident that we're headed back to 2%, and we're watching those closely.
It did feel in your most recent announcement that you were kind of saying, we might be there, but you caution, you don't want people to jump ahead and say, okay, it's all over, now we can look forward to rates coming down. What's the line you want Canadians to hear from you on this?
I think the message to Canadians, look, monetary policy is working. It's working largely as expected. We know that nobody really likes the way it works. It's squeezing Canadians, but unfortunately that's what's needed to get this last bit of steam out of inflation. The other message is, yes, it's working. We got to let it working. It's important that we get back to price stability. That's the destination. That's what Canadians expect from us, and that's what we're going to deliver.
And of course, as you know better than anyone, Canadians don't tend to think about rates, this, that. Affordability is how Canadians feel this issue. It's been a huge issue now going on 2 years. This past year has been particularly hard for many. So there's a disconnect. Even while economists are starting to say, actually, this looks pretty good. We're feeling pretty good about where we're going. Canadians are still saying, we don't feel good. Confidence is down. Our spending plans are down. Does that make sense to you, that because they're still feeling the affordability problem, there'll be a lag in our confidence returning?
You're absolutely right. We can see this. Yes, we've made a lot of progress getting inflation down. It was 8% last year, but what are Canadians feeling? Well, they're feeling prices went way up. Okay, inflation's come down, but prices haven't come down, and even inflation is still too high. The economy is slowing, interest rates have gone up. None of it feels very good. I think an important message is, though, that, okay, we're at the end of 2023, we're moving into 2024 pretty soon. We do expect that's going to be a year of transition. The first part's not going to feel good. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. But as we get later in the year, I think we can expect growth to be picking up. Inflation should be continue to be coming down, should be getting closer to the target by the end of next year. So, yeah, we're not there yet, but we're getting there, and the end's in sight.